Good morning guys. आज चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई अलिकति फरक देखाउँछु. So I'm going to show you what's inside my camera bag. यो camera bag चाहिँ Peak Design को camera bag हो. It's been 2 years I've been using this camera bag. यो चाहिँ अति नै राम्रो छ. So camera bag को भित्रपट्टि चाहिँ it has a different types of layers. यो चाहिँ मेरो सबैभन्दा ठुलो large packing हो. So यसको इनसाइड यस्तो ब्यागेजहरु चाहिँ मिडियम अनि स्मल छ. जस्तो यो चाहिँ स्मल हो, यो चाहिँ स्मल हो अनि मिडियम पनि छ. So inside my camera bag, this one is my 1DX Mark III. So यो चाहिँ मेरो R5 हो, R5 camera हो. It has 2470 अनि यससँग चाहिँ 70 to 200 f2.8 एड गरेको छ. So मसँग चाहिँ तीनवटा फ्ल्याश छ, तर I basically carry one flashes all the time. अनि म चाहिँ यो म्याग मोडको म्याक्स स्पेयर बोकेर हिँड्छु. यो चाहिँ अति नै राम्रो छ. So apart from that, I carry a wide angle. यो चाहिँ 18 to 35 16 to 35 millimeter f4 हो. अनि अरु चाहिँ मेरो card reader. I carry one headphone for my video mic. अनि मेरो यो चाहिँ Black Rapid को dual strap हो. Apart from that, I put my accessories inside the bag. That's all for my camera bag. Hello, good morning guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you some of my unboxing things. I've just opened some of my gears, especially I've just got a new camera bag. So this one is my old one from Peak Design. I've recently showed you with my cameras inside all my steel gears. So this is a new camera bag, same color, slightly bigger, 45 liter, because this one is for stills and this one is for my video. So exactly same color. I love it because the color maila nahune. At the same time, यसको engineered भनौं कि यसको design भनौं, if you are perfect, amazing. यसको जिप चाहिँ rear rib side जिप भन्छ, जसलाई चाहिँ यो ब्याक साइडबाट खोल्न मिल्छ. किनभने मोस्ट अफ द क्यामेरा ब्यागहरु अरु क्यामेराहरुको डिजाइन गर्दा चाहिँ यसको चाहिँ रियर साइडमा मेन जिप हुन्छ, तर यसको चाहिँ रिब साइडमा छ. बिकज क्यामेराम्यानले चाहिँ बोकेर ठक्क भुइँमा राख्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो साइडमा हिलो भए पनि हिलो माथि क्यामेरामा छिर्दैन. सो दैट चाहिँ यदि यसलाई चाहिँ यस्तो राखेर ओपन गर्नु पर्यो, पछि बोक्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ यो साइडमा हिलो लाग्यो, कुनै ठाउँमा अब हिलो, कुनै ठाउँमा त्यस्तै माटो धुलो भएको ठाउँमा यो साइडमा राख्यो अनि फेरि बोक्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ हाम्रो ब्याक साइडमा रिब्समा ढाडमा सबै तिर चाहिँ हिलो लाग्छ. त्यही भएर चाहिँ यो साइडमा राख्ने अनि यो साइडबाट चाहिँ जिप खोल्नलाई चाहिँ सजिलो हुन्छ. So this is my new bag. So I will be using both. यो पनि युज गर्छु, यो पनि युज गर्छु अनि यो पनि युज गर्छु. But this will be in different purpose. I think this will be using for my video purpose, and this is I showed you all my steel camera gears will be in this bag. So अर्को मैले Peak Design को बारेमा भन्नुपर्दा चाहिँ I've got a new strap as well. This is Peak Design's new strap. It's cost around like 60 pounds in the website, but Peak Design sent it me. Right, and then it has Peak Design ko अर्को यो strap उस पनि छ. These are my new gears. अनि this is a new thing. I recently bought it in photography show at Birmingham. So यो चाहिँ basically lens मा attach हुन्छ. यो चाहिँ lens मा attach हुन्छ. Then this will show very refract lights. यसले चाहिँ light refract गर्छ. र you can have a varieties of creative photography, creative portrait गर्नको लागि चाहिँ सपोर्ट गर्छ. सो यो चाहिँ Kaleidoscope FX फुल फ्रेमको लागि हो. यो चाहिँ 82 मिलिमिटरको लेन्सको लागि हो. You can buy varieties of this one's cost not more than 40 pounds. So photography so much cheap नै थियो. So I got it from there. These are my new things for now. Thank you for watching. I will update my gears. If you guys want to collaborate or anything like events, photography, videograph or anything to me, just let me know. I will sort these things out, right? Oh, one thing I forgot to mention about my glasses today. This is the Banner sunglass. My wife suggested me that I need to wear a Banner glass. This is like blue light glass because I've been staying on a screen for a long time. So she suggested me to have it. So Banner sunglass यो पनि एकदम नै राम्रो छ. यसले चाहिँ blue light बाट चाहिँ protect गर्छ हाम्रो आँखालाई. It's made in UK. It's really amazing job. मसँग चाहिँ दुईवटा कलरमा छ. One is in this blue steel and one is in black. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow or anything, comment as well. Thank you so much.